AmaZulu are violent. We can't beat about the bush, and they still need to be cleansed. Because King Shaka, when he built the Zulu nation, he used the spear and the blood. To an extent that even when King Shaka was killed, it was on the basis that he could not stop
killing.
Yeah. The family had to sit down and say, hey, every day, and the guy was young in the morning, and he was really good looking, light in complexion, muscular.
Slow that down. Light in complexion.
Yes.
That's not the Shaka I know. The Shaka I know is tall, black, and an 8-pack.
I know Henry Tele played that part for television very well, but that's not how one would imagine Shaka if we were to look at the historical facts. If you want to know about kings' complexion, go to their praise singers or read what the praise singers said during his time. For instance, King Cijwa, if they say inzima lemnyama kandaba engabende bezingo neingonyama, that's complexion.
Yeah.
He was dark. Ushaka, they say ulanga liphumela insizwa lantsasa, meaning ilanga maliphuma, yes, it sets, but iliba nemsebe
when the sun sets.
Yes.
Okay.
Symbolizing his complexion.
Light skinned.
Yes. Even her mom was light in complexion. Senzangakhona was good looking to an extent that uNandi, inkosazana uNandi, had to zidlisa satshanyana. Ngifuna ukumbona lo muntu okukhalwa ngaye kanje. Do you realize but abelungu, because they wanted to give us that ring of throne idea. This is why they had to project him with Henry Tele. It's the same with some of the things King Shaka said. Ngeke nilibuse eliyobuswa amayini zinkonjane nawe mbopha njayami. That thing is a sketch. It's taken from when Julius Caesar was killed. And you, my son, Brutus, you see?
Yeah.
And now Shaka saying, now mbopha njayami. That's not true. Actually, what happened? King Shaka, when he was 16, looking after a huge herd of cows, he was met with or faced with a huge snake called Imamba that just rose in a bush and then killed one of the cows that he was looking after off about head. Because Shaka was a prophet, he went and spoke to the snake and said, what is it that you are trying to do? And the snake said, the reason I'm killing the cow, I want your attention. Your kingdom is gonna grow like of heavens, but you're gonna die early. Mhlangana, umbopha, and udingana bazohlangana ngawe and kill you, but all of them, they won't rule.
This is a story that is known.
This is a
Shaka
story
speaking to Imamba.
Yes, this is a historical
and he
fact.
used to herd for Umteto.
Yes.
That was a big nation.
Yeah, that was a kingdom. And then to give you an empirical evidence to that, he found Umbopha around the fire. No, it was cold. And then he said, Mbopha, you don't enjoy fire like that. Put your hands inside. Oh, no, I can't. Put your hands inside. And then until Shaka put his, said, you put them like this. And then his did not. And then put them. And then his hands bent until we're like this. Zambob. And then, why did he do that? He already knew that he was gonna be part of his assassination. We don't talk about that. 27th of September. They say, 23rd, because he was killed on the 24th,
sure.
1828.
What we call Heritage Day today.
Yes. He was seen begging his ancestors, like, hey, why must I die of the hands of cowards like Dingan and Mbopha? And then they said, it is time. For the first time, King Shaka, on the 28th, he went to a Zulu hut, Samo, and burned him. So each time he went to speak with his ancestors, and the regiments are inside the kraal, he's praying on behalf of them. The first thing he would say, Naba bafana beni bese sibayeni mabangahambi bodwa.